So today let's talk about your seasonal categories on Etsy. So is it good or is it bad? Should you do that? Well, yes. Easy, right? So you should have seasonal categories. So for example, when Christmas is coming up, it's a good idea to have a category on Etsy called Christmas or Christmas something, whatever you have to offer. For example, when I make for the bullet journal a category, I would say Christmas bullet journal items or products or whatever. And then I point the customer into the right direction. If he or she is looking for something Christmas related, he most probably will click on that category. And beside the customer, Etsy will also love that because Etsy then knows it's seasonal items which are included in that category, and hopefully scroll these before time is over, before Christmas is actually over. So that is a good thing. And you should have that to attract more customers. It's not just for that season. It's great if you have extra sales around Christmas, great, but hopefully you will keep these customers you have won over Christmas all over the year, because you do not just have Christmas items, or actually you should not have just Christmas items. You should also have other seasonal items and also all year evergreen items. So before you start creating, make sure that you have an overview, that you have ideas what to create all over the year, not just for a specific time frame, because then most probably you cannot make a living if you just can sell your products over Christmas or over Easter or over, you see, the point is, do not be too seasonal, but during the season, point people to the seasonal products you have. I think that summarizes it best. So go ahead, create some seasonal categories and sell your Etsy products from there.